Hello everyone, welcome back to Byte Vigor channel. Today, we will explore the Memento design pattern, a widely used behavioral design pattern in software development. This pattern is used to save and restore the state of an object without breaking its encapsulation. Imagine you are writing a long document and want to save its current state at certain points so you can revert to a previous version if needed. This saving operation is similar to the memento in the Memento design pattern. Another example is the save feature in video games, where players can save their progress and load it later. According to Wikipedia, the memento pattern is a behavioral design pattern that captures an object's internal state without violating encapsulation and allows the state to be restored later. To better understand this pattern, let's use a simple text editor as an example to implement the memento pattern in Java. First, we define a memento class that stores the state of an object. The memento class contains a single string representing the state and provides a constructor to initialize it. It also offers a getState method to retrieve the saved state. Next, we define a text editor class, which is the object whose state we want to save and restore. It contains a string builder to represent the current content. The type method allows us to input text and add it to the content. The save method creates a memento object to save the current content, and the restore method restores the content from a memento object. Then, we define a caretaker class responsible for managing the saving and restoring of memento objects. It includes a list to store multiple memento objects. The addMemento method adds new memento objects to the list, and the getMemento method retrieves a memento object at a specified index. Finally, let's look at the client code. In this example, we first create a text editor object for text editing and a caretaker object to manage the state of the text editor. First, we type the text hello and save the current state to a memento, managed by the caretaker. Then we type world and save the current state again. Next, we retrieve the first saved memento from the caretaker and restore it to the text editor. After restoration, the printed content is hello, which is the content from our first save. Then, we retrieve the second saved memento from the caretaker and restore it to the text editor. After restoration, the printed content is hello world, which is the content from our second save. This way, we demonstrate how to use the memento pattern to save and restore the state of an object. The key to this pattern is that it allows us to manage the state without breaking the encapsulation of the object. So, when should we use the memento design pattern? You can use the memento pattern when you need to capture and restore the state of an object without violating encapsulation. For example, it's beneficial when implementing undo-redo functionality. The memento pattern helps store the state of an object and restore it when needed. To summarize, the memento design pattern provides a way to manage the state of an object without breaking its encapsulation by saving and restoring its state. In actual development, the memento pattern can help us create more flexible and maintainable systems, improving code readability and maintainability. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the Byte Vigor channel so you won't miss more exciting content. See you in the next video.